Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change modes for presets in Insta360 Ace Pro. To do this, first we'll need to swipe to the right in the middle of our screen. Make sure to do it in the middle, not in the corner. That way you'll be able to enter presets or modes, and now just select the preset that allows you to change modes, because for example if we go right here for the vlog one, or actually it is available. So that means for some of the preset modes are not available, as I've checked. I'm not sure which one, but that way you can enter the modes and then switch between. Okay, fine. You can select different modes for your camera, like slow motion in this example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.